Here at Acura Pickering, we have a 2018 Acura RDX Tech all-wheel drive. Here's a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, we can see this vehicle has memory seat functions for 2 different drivers. It also has power mirrors, locks, and windows with automatic front windows. It has power seating, full leather interior, along with a sunroof up top, and it can comfortably seat 5 passengers. This vehicle also comes with steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls, with adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. It also has a built-in navigation system. It's got a rear view camera with 3 different viewing modes. There's a normal view, top down, and a wide view. It also has AM, FM, and XM radio, a CD player, USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth audio, dual climate control, heated seats for both the front and back, and many more great features.